Hi guys, it's Melody Lane. Thanks for coming to my channel. And it's time for another mystery box. Yes, this is a digital mystery box. Now we get so many questions on what a mystery box is. How do I sign up? You don't sign up for mystery boxes. They come out at different times of the month. They do come at least one a month, sometimes more. This is the second one for January, but this is a digital mystery box. What that means is once you click the link below in the description, it'll take you to go purchase the mystery box. So once you do that, I do get a small commission and it's no extra cost to you at all. And once you purchase the digital mystery box, you instantly have access. There's no shipping, no waiting. All you have to do is go back to Design Space and go click on cartridges or filter to purchase. I'll show you how to do all of that and show you what images are in there. There's Star Wars and there's some Valentine Star Wars. Let's go see the images. Okay, here's the first set. This one is called Star Wars Yoda One for Me Valentine's Decor. So you got treat bags, you got boxes, you got a sucker holder, you got luminaries and little tags or cards. And after this video today, I will be going in and doing a video showing you how to put these together. If you've not worked with paper crafting, these are all written. All you need is a pen and it does all the work for you. And then you glue these pieces on. And the next one is Star Wars Galactic T-shirt Love. So you can cut these out of vinyl or iron-on, put them on a shirt, make a decal with them and put them on anything you want. Pointless to resist. These are so cute. And you can change these to any color you want to use them in. And I know with the new update, some people are having trouble changing colors. You just select it so there's a box around it. It's gray over here. And then you click on the color right here and you can change it to any color you want. You can make it bigger or smaller just by dragging this little circle here. All right, let's get to the next one. This one I just love. Star Wars You Make My Heart Explode cards. Aren't they cute? There's only 8 of them, but they're so cute. Look at this one. You're the Obi-Wan for me. Don't fly solo, be mine. Let's see what these look like. You are too cute. You make my heart explode. Don't forget me. Don't fly solo. Let's see how easy this is to put together. Let me shrink down my screen so we can see more. Let's do that one next. Look, there are chocolates here. Let me ungroup them. Envelope, very easy to put together. Look, they're little chocolates. Star Wars chocolates. How cute is that? And they're so easy to put together. So you cut this out of paper. You just glue that paper onto that paper. And then you glue that one onto there. It's so easy. These are awesome. I love this one. Let's look at this other one. I haven't looked at this one. So we're going to ungroup. Now you want to size it before you ungroup. I just want to show you how it works. This is drawing, so it's going to draw this on there. I can detach it. So that is going to write that. And then look. These are pretty easy. You just glue those big pieces together. Oh, that one goes right there. And then these little hearts are written on there. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. You could use this even if you don't want to use Star Wars stuff. You can use this base of the card and have that on there. And use this for any other kind of card. And it draws these hearts. Let's zoom in. Look, it's filling in the hearts. It's coloring in the hearts for you. That's so cute. Just for this alone. Did I mention these are only going to be available at this price for only 2 weeks? And then look, Star Wars iconic characters. You can make these out of vinyl and make decals. You can stick them on your shirt for iron-on. You can stick them on your car. You can stick them on your iPad or laptop. Anything you want. I think these are amazing. Star Wars Simple Valentine's Day cards. Join the heart side. Aww, instead of the dark side. You do one for me. There's a bounty on my heart. Let's just bring these in. You're the droid I'm looking for. I have a good feeling about this. And it is pointless to resist. I'm going to bring this one. Let's ungroup it so you can see how easy this is to put together. Look, this is one paper. This writes on here, and it cuts and scores this. So easy to make Valentine cards. So easy. So if you want the new digital mystery box, click the link in the description. It will take you to go get it. Purchase it. If you can't find these in Design Space, you may need to log out of your account and log back in. Let me show you how to search them. So when you go to Design Space, click on this button right here. It says Images. It will take you to these images. Click up here on Cartridges. Now, if you have not purchased very many cartridges, you can click over here to Filter, and you can filter Purchased. I have hundreds of purchased cartridges, so it won't be easy for me to find these. Or you can click on My Cartridges also, and there are hundreds there. For me, everybody's different. The best way to search the Star Wars is to go up here and search Star Wars. You will not find these in here until you purchase the mystery box. You may find some of the old Star Wars cartridges, and this is going to show you some other cartridges that have the word star in them. But here's an older Star Wars cartridge, and this is an older one. So you may see those, but if you did not purchase the mystery box, you do not have access to these new ones that are in the mystery box. So we have the Galactic T-shirt love, the iconic characters, simple Valentine's Day cards, and Star Wars Yoda One For Me Valentine's Decor, and Star Wars You Make My Heart Explode cards. So comment below, let me know if you got the Cricut mystery box. I'm sorry, on digital mystery boxes, my code does not work. But for those of you in Canada, you can get the Star Wars mystery box. This is open to Canada and the United States. All right, guys, love you. And I will see you in the next video where we put some of this together. Bye.